Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Yes, I am back. We are doing some box braids and I'm using, as you can see, 100% Kannekalon hair. This hair is 84-inch long and I'm gonna cut it in 3 and stretch the hair. So basically I decided to start sharing the moment that I share with my clients with you. This way I have more regular videos, hopefully more things to share with you guys as well on a weekly basis. When you finish stretching the hair, you want to just go ahead and brush it out. Just gonna give it more softer ends. You want to, when you're brushing it, make sure you just hold the hair very tight so it doesn't pull and you lost a lot of hair. So yeah, just brush both ends, make sure the hair is completely brushed out. I also use some olive oil on my client's hair as well. I like to use olive oil because the hair will be in braids for a few weeks, so just kind of something to keep it moisturized for if they decide not to wash it, so it will still be moisturized the whole entire time. So the parting I'm using is kind of like half circle. It totally depends on what your clients want. My client here, she doesn't have any particular preference. So if the client doesn't choose any particular preference, I just go with half circle. I lay the hair one in between one another, kind of like a brick lay. That way the hair is the braids still very full, even if they're having thicker braids. So that's a great way to, you know, part the hair in case you don't want, I mean, I don't think anybody wants their hair to look empty when they have braids, so that's a great way to actually have fuller braids. And as you can see here how I laid the hair, you can see less skin showing underneath the braids because the braids on the top is covering the braids on the bottom, kind of like covering the space in between. So once I finish braiding all the hair down to the bottom, I dip it in hot water. If you're doing this process on yourself, please be very careful. If you're doing it on somebody else as well, be careful, because this is hot burning water. And once I'm done with this process, just make sure you dip the hair multiple times and make sure the ends are nice and sleek and straight. That's pretty much it. The next step is I add some mousse in the hair, just kind of like help control the frizz and also the flyaways, and makes the hair looks neater. After this step, I just go ahead and spray the hair with some oil sheen as well, and that's pretty much it. And voila, the hair is done, as you can. And that's it, guys. I use a total of 3.5 packs, and as you can see, it is still very full, and it's not gonna be too heavy because we didn't use that much, hair on this style. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like this video if you want more videos like this. If you have questions, please leave me a comment, and don't forget to subscribe as well, and I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.